everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Let's be honest, my old blinds were doing the bare minimum, hard to open, letting light sneak in the worst times, and honestly, just outdated. But then I upgraded to the YESCENT Motorized Day and Night honeycomb blinds, and wow, they feel like a real modern home upgrade. First of all, these look so sleek and modern, they fit the window perfectly, which instantly makes the room feel cleaner and more high end. And here's one of my favorite features: they are rechargeable and they even have a solar charging function. Super modern, right? So you're not constantly worrying about batteries or plugging things in. It's smart, energy efficient, and honestly, super convenient. These blinds are fully motorized, which means I can control them straight from my phone and I can open them and close them or adjust them without getting up. And they also have the control, whichever you prefer. Now, let's talk about the day and night honeycomb design because this is where these really shine. The day blind gently softens the sunlight and lets in just the right amount of natural light so the room feels bright but not harsh. And when it's time to rest, the night blind blocks out the light to protect your privacy and creates a quiet, comfortable sleeping environment. So if you're still dealing with old school blinds, this is your sign to upgrade. Yes, and combines modern design, smart technology, and everyday comfort all in one. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.